Welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel, the ultimate destination for delicious Mexican cuisine. I'm your host. Today we're gonna have a blast as we learn how to cut and spice some jicama and cucumber with authentic Mexican flavors. So let's get this started. Here we have limes, jicama, chili powder, Valentina, El Miguelito, El Original. First up, we have this crunchy and refreshing jicama, a staple in Mexican cuisine. To cut it, we'll need a sharp knife and a cutting board. Just watch those fingers. Here I have a peeler. Let's see which one works better, the peeler or the knife. Did you guys know that jicamas are very low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great snacking choice? They're also rich in vitamin C and contain small amounts of iron and potassium. The roots even have omega-3 and fatty acids, but we just eat it because it's good. Alright, I don't think this peeler's doing it for me. I'm gonna go with the knife. The whole point is just to get it all peeled up to the creamy flesh. Now that it's all peeled, we're gonna give it a quick wash and dry it up. When you're cutting a jicama, you can cut it any way you like. I like cutting mine like fries. Check it out. They should end up looking something like this. Next, we're gonna put them in a container that we're gonna prepare them in. Stacking them like this helps when you're preparing them, trust me. Now that the jicama is cut up, we're gonna start working on our cucumber. Go ahead and peel it and cut it into slices like so. Go ahead and add them into the jicama. Now for the good stuff. Let's add the limes and the chiles. We're gonna use about 2 limes on this. Go ahead and squeeze your lime juice in there. It already smells so good. We're gonna add a little bit more lime. Next, we're gonna add our Valentina, and you can choose whichever one you like, the super spicy one or the regular one. Here I'm gonna use the regular one because I don't like mine too spicy. Go ahead and sprinkle it on top completely to your liking. Next, we're gonna add a couple pinches of salt. If you don't like yours too salty, just add 1 pinch. Next, we're gonna sprinkle a couple handfuls of this chile suave. Go ahead and sprinkle it on top and try to get everything. I'm gonna add just a little bit more. And bam! Next up, we have the Clásico Miguelito. Go ahead and sprinkle some of that to your liking. Remember, this one's a little sweet. I have some of these lime wedges left over, so I'm gonna add them in there. Go ahead and stick them in there. And there you have it, amigos. A delicious and refreshing Mexican-inspired snack that's perfect for any fiesta or just a tasty treat on a hot day. I hope you enjoy learning how to cut and spice up a jicama and cucumber with me today. Absolutely delicioso. Thank you for joining me today, amigos. Until next time. If you want to see more mouth-watering Mexican recipes and foodie adventures, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. And as always,
thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya!